Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Shruti. In this video, I'm going to show you how to click on the add to cart button for a specific product, okay, based on the product name we pass. Okay, so instead of clicking randomly on the add to cart button, we will store the product name in a variable and use that product name to click on the correct add to cart button. Okay, and here I'm assuming that you're already familiar with the basics of Playwright. If not, please make sure to check out my Playwright series. Okay, so where I've explained everything from the scratch. Okay, okay, and if you're new here, please consider subscribing to my channel. Okay, okay, let's get started. I've already created the spec file, and the application I'm going to use is source demo application. Okay, so it has six products. So what I want to do is, based on the product name I give, it should click on the add to cart button. Okay, I'll say once again. So if I say sauce labs backpack, it should go inside this product card and click on add to cart button. And if I say that sauce labs fleece jacket, it should go inside this product card and click on add to cart button. Okay, okay, so first let us inspect all the products. Okay, and keep it in some variable. Okay, so I want all the product details in some variable. So this is description, this is list, this is item. Okay, let me take item class name. So in CSS selector for class name we use dot. Okay, it has six matching elements. Okay, it has six matching elements, so I'm taking this locator. Okay, so why I'm taking this locator? To get the count of it. Okay, I'll keep this in some variable. Okay, I'm keeping all the product items in some variable. So the variable name I will call products. Const products is equal to await page dot locator. The locator is inventory item. Okay, okay, so this product has all the products. Now I want to get the count of it. Okay, so const product count is equal to await products dot count. So this method gives us the count of all the products. Okay, so let us use console statement and print the number of products. Okay, console.log product count. Okay, let us execute this. I assume you know already all these things. Okay, how to execute a spec file and all, and why I'm using project is equal to chromium and what is hyphen headed. Okay, so spec file name is add product to the cart. Press enter. So once we get the count of it, we will use for loop to loop through each product one by one. Okay, enter the username and password, and the number of products we found on the page is 6. Okay, okay, so now we got the count. Let us use for loop. Okay, for let I is equal to 0, I less than product count, and I plus plus. Okay, so I'll loop from the product 0 to less than product count. Less than product count is 0 to 5, that is 6. Okay, okay, so now this product has all the products. Okay, so now I want to check each product. Okay, I want to go inside each product. Okay, so for that I'll keep each product in some variable. Okay, I will call product. Okay, so in this product variable, I will keep each product. I mean, what I mean is, first time when the loop runs, it will keep the first product card. I mean this one. Then when the loop runs, it keeps the second product card. Okay, so products dot nth of I. Products dot nth of I. So products as all the products, and nth of I means first time when the loop runs, the value will be 0. Okay, so this product has the product card 1. Okay. Okay, so now what I want, in the product card, I want to get the title. Okay, so now the loop runs and it is in the product one. Okay, so in this product one, I want to go to this add to cart button. Okay. Okay, so just remember, in this product card, I want to go to click on the add to cart button. I don't want to search in the entire page. Okay, I want to search this add to cart button only inside this product. Okay. Okay, so for that, I want to click go based on the title. So I'll create a variable called title. Const title is equal to await product dot locator. Product dot locator. This product, as I said, I want to take the title inside this product. Okay, so I will say product dot locator, not the page dot locator. Okay, so this is also called as locator chaining. Okay, so using this method, we can narrow down the element within a specific parent element. Okay, so here this product is a parent element. Okay. Okay, so what I want here, I want to get the title first. So let us inspect the title. Okay, so this title is the inventory item name. Let us inspect. Let us confirm. Okay, this is matching with 6 elements. Dot text content. I want to get the text of this title name. So if the title matches, it will go inside that and click on the add to cart button. Okay. Okay. So now I will put a condition that if the title is equal to any of the text I'm going to pass, then it should click on this add to cart button. Okay. So I will copy this one, sauce labs bike light. Okay. I will put if condition. If title if title dot trim. Okay, I will remove the extra space. Okay, if title dot trim is equal to, triple is equal to means strict equals, if it is equal to this one, then go inside this and click on add to cart button. Okay, await product dot locator. Okay, I'm not saying page dot locator because I want to check inside this product card. Okay. Okay, so there is only one button inside that and text is add to cart. Okay, for that I will say button colon has text, so the text is add to cart button. Okay, it should be as it is. Okay, so now I want to click on it. Okay, so I'm saying inside this product dot locator, there is a button called, the button's text is add to cart. So click on it. Okay. Okay, once it click on it, I don't want to continue the loop, so I will say return. Okay, then if this product is not found on the page, I want to throw the error. Okay, the error is throw new error. So I just want to say that the product is not found on the page. Okay. Okay. I saved. Let me execute it. I'm pressing up arrow button. Okay. Before executing this, I will remove the space and I will add a console statement to print which product is added to the cart. Okay. So console.log backtick product and title. Title is added to the cart. Okay. So I saved and let us execute. Okay, as you can see, that product SaaS Labs bike light is added to the cart. Okay, so this is the product we are saying to click. So if this title is equal to this, then click on this add to cart button. Okay. Okay, so now we can validate that once this click on once we clicked on add to cart button, the add to cart button text gets changed to remove. We can validate this. Okay, so let us take this updated add to cart button text in some variable. Okay, after it is added to the cart, I will keep updated add to cart button text. Okay, so variable name is updated button text is equal to await product dot locator. Okay, and I will just say button. Okay, because inside this product card there is only one button. Okay, so I can directly say button. Okay. Okay, so now I will say this expected text to be equal to remove. Okay, I will get the text of it. Okay, expect updated text dot trim. Okay, I'll remove the extra space to be equal to remove. Okay. Okay, so now let us execute. I saved. Enter the username password and the product is added to the cart. Okay, so we can give some wait here. Await page dot wait for locator or wait for timeout. We'll just give hard wait. I'll give some 3 seconds. Okay, as we can see, this product added and text got changed to remove. Okay. Okay, so this is how we can click on add to cart button of the specific product name we pass. Okay. Okay, if you think you learned something from this video, please do like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.